Hey there, young professionals. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the secrets to career success. Ever wondered what sets some people apart in their careers? What makes them rise above the rest and achieve their goals? Today, I'm diving into the world of Sigma males and the traits that can catapult your career to success. These traits are not just for Sigma males, anyone can adopt them to enhance their professional journey. Let's unlock these secrets together. First up, Sigma males thrive on their ability to operate independently. They're self-reliant and they trust their instincts. This independence allows them to make decisions quickly and efficiently without needing constant guidance. In the workplace, this means taking initiative and not waiting for instructions. Be the person who steps up to the plate and takes charge of projects. Be the go-getter who tackles challenges head-on. This proactive approach not only showcases your leadership skills, but also builds your confidence. Sigma males can navigate through change effortlessly. They are not afraid of the unknown and can adapt to new situations with ease. In today's fast-paced world, being adaptable is crucial. Embrace new technologies, pivot when necessary, and always be ready to learn something new. Adaptability is your superpower. It allows you to stay relevant and competitive in an ever-changing job market. Sigma males have a deep understanding of themselves. They know their strengths, weaknesses, and what drives them. This self-awareness is key to personal and professional growth. Take time to reflect on your goals and make sure that your career path aligns with your personal values. This alignment ensures that you are passionate about your work and stay motivated. This alignment fuels your motivation and keeps you on track. When your career goals resonate with your personal values, you are more likely to find fulfillment and success in your professional life. These individuals are master planners. They don't just work hard, they work smart. They know how to set priorities and manage their time effectively. Set clear, actionable goals and develop a strategy to achieve them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and track your progress regularly. Whether it's climbing the corporate ladder or launching your own startup, a well-thought-out plan is essential. Planning helps you stay focused and organized, ensuring that you are always moving towards your objectives. Last but definitely not least, Sigma males are known for their tenacity. They bounce back from setbacks stronger than ever. This resilience is what keeps them going, even in the face of adversity. In your career, resilience means staying focused, even when things get tough. It's about maintaining a positive attitude and finding solutions to problems rather than dwelling on them. Learn from failures and use them as stepping stones to success. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow, making you stronger and more prepared for future challenges. To sum it up, independence, adaptability, self-awareness, strategic thinking and resilience are the keys to unlocking your career potential. These traits can help you navigate the complexities of the professional world and achieve your goals. Embrace these Sigma traits and watch your professional life soar. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Until next time, stay inspired and keep pushing forward. Escape the matrix of mediocrity and strive for excellence in everything you do.